Good morning, my student. How are you? Hope you are enjoying your holiday. Yes, I guess so. This morning, I would like to quickly give you your scheme of work for 2002 and 3 in academic section, and I will be brief about it. So, what you do for me now is to get your mathematics notebook and your pen so that you can put down your scheme of work in the first page of your note. And these are the things we'll be looking at next time. So the first week of the term you'll be looking at simple equation. Now the change of subject formula is there and the rest of them. Second week we have quadratic expression. You have factorization of quadratic expression there. So we'll be looking at the differences between expression and equation. So in the third week we'll be looking at quadratic equation. It's going to be graphical solution of quadratic equation. Then the fourth will be having logical reasoning, the meaning of simple statement, open and closed statements, the negation, the simple compound, and the rest of them. In the fifth, we'll be looking at the mensuration of solid shape. Now, this is where we're going to be making use of the projects you guys did the other time of plane shapes. So we'll be looking at the area and the perimeter of those shapes, the square, the rectangle, circle, and the rest of them. So in the sixth, we will be looking at construction. Now, at this point, I will advise you to come with a construction book and your mathematical sets, because that's what you are going to be. And when you are buying your mathematical set, make sure you purchase a very solid and strong one so that you will not be having reason to change it. There's a lot of fake of them in the market, so I would recommend that you buy the very strong one and a construction book, and that will happen in week 6. Then we'll be looking at deductive proof. Deductive proof will be talking about the types and properties of triangle. So I will also ask you to bring your four-figure table for some of you that do not have yet. Now in the next weeks of it, we'll be looking at the polygon types, the sum of interiors and exterior angle. So we'll be looking at that. Then the next week that follows, we'll be looking at trigonometry, so basic trigonometry ratio. So get your four-figure table because we'll be looking at sine, cosine, and tangents with the right angle, triangle, and the rest of them. Then in the 12th weeks, we'll be looking at statistics. So how to collect the data, how to tabulate, how to present those data, construct the frequency table, linear graph, bar chart, histogram, and the rest of them. So we'll be looking at the statistics 1 and statistics 2. We are going to be calculating sectorial component, talking about pie charts and the rest of them. So those are the things we're going to be doing. So put them down in your notes and get ready. Then after that we have revision, then we have another examination, and this examination is very important because that will determine whether you are going to promote to SS2 or not. So I will stop here, just put it down. Then the next will come up where I'm going to give you your holiday assignment. Pick one of these topics, probably the first one, so that we can now start our work. The simple equation changes, I will just do a video, a lecture, you listen to it, you ask question, and we'll pick it up from them. So let me stop here.